Well, welcoming into the debate tonight, we have the BJP's Shrikant Sharma, we have the Congress Party's Madhu Gaudiakshi. We have Maruf Raza, we have General G.D. Bakshi and Rashni Kher. The PDP is sending a representative 15-20 minutes. They should be linked up on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the debate. I'd like to start with the BJP. First of all, let me give my view on this. I feel there are only two parties, Maruf, who are responsible for this. One party is the BJP and one party is the PDP. BJP is in power in both center and state. That's why they are responsible for allowing Pakistani flags to come up on the streets of Srinagar. PDP is in power in the state, and the chief minister is the pro-Pakistan Mufti Muhammad Saeed. So that's where everyone believes. We also believe tonight, Maruf, that Masarat should be rearrested. Actually, let me start with you, Maruf. What are the dangerous consequences of letting Pakistani flags get unfurled and hoisted with such regularity in Srinagar? What are the dangerous consequences of letting this happen?
Arnab, if you go back into the history of the insurgency, which is now about 25 years old, sometime in the late 80s, there was equally an incident of Pakistani flags being shown in the valley, particularly during cricket matches. And many people responded to that with considerable restraint, saying, these are some misled miscreants. But clearly, these are signs that for Pakistan, this is music to their ears, because it's a revival to the insurgency, which they were unable to achieve despite all the incompetence of the Omar Abdullah government. The Pakistani government now seems to be on a very happy wicket, because A, you have people in the PDP who argue that by getting Masarat Alam out, this is a chance to reform him. You might remember a very heated debate we had on this channel itself with Hasib Drabu, who was arguing as finance minister of the PDP government that this is their move towards reforming the militants. I don't know how you can reform somebody who has deeply ingrained anti-India sentiments in him, and that is his raison d'etre, and that is what he is going to be using all along. I mean, can you imagine Masarat Alam tomorrow turning around and saying that, I go by the Indian constitution and I agree with all the issues that India stands for? I mean, he will lose his relevance in the valley, and his mentors will lose their relevance. The second aspect, and I think that's equally important and of concern to me, that the BJP government has compromised its basic position. It has compromised India's policy on Pakistan. It has compromised its moral standing by marrying up with PDP and accommodating all these factors that is allowing the PDP to run amok with a policy towards Pakistan, which is a complete embarrassment to every patriotic Indian. And I think they need to recalibrate and revisit their position before anything good can come out of this whole exercise. Whatever Chief Minister Mr. Mufti Saeed's assertions, the fact of the matter is very simple. Pakistan can only have an equation while it negotiates with Delhi directly. It should not be allowed to negotiate in the Kashmir issue through their proxies, whether Mr. Jalani, whether Masarat Alam, or a whole lot of other separatists.
Maruf,
I think we have given a new twist to the whole argument of Pakistan's role in Kashmir, and I think we need to revisit very strongly. And both political parties that are responsible must give a clarification to the nation today why they are allowing the whole situation to slide into this pathetic state of affairs.
Okay, first of all, I want to run full frame the pictures today, so that the viewers on the news are get a very clear sense of what happened. Or Shrikant Sharma ji, I hope that you are watching this. I don't know if you have a television near you, Mr. Shrikant Sharma of the BJP. I hope you are watching this. I hope you remember that your Prime Minister stood in the floor of the Lok Sabha and said, I am outraged that Masarat Alam has been released. Mr. Modi said that this is the nation's outrage. Everything has been forgotten now, Shrikant Sharma, in a few weeks. Not only has the outrage been forgotten, Masarat Alam has been released, and today I want to know from you, who do you hold responsible for Pakistani flags being unfurled like that on the streets of Srinagar? Do you hold yourself responsible? Do you hold your Home Minister Rajnath Singh responsible? Do you hold the Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed responsible? Or do you hold nobody responsible? Shrikant Sharma, you must answer tonight.
Arna, just give me time. ये एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन जो लोगों में है, ये अलगाववादियों में है, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपील की कि चुनाव नहीं होना चाहिए, आप मतदान मत करिए। और उसके बाद जो सरकार जिस तरह से वहां इनिशिएटिव लेकर पीस प्रोसेस की तरफ बढ़ रही है, डेवलपमेंट की तरफ बढ़ रही है, कश्मीरी पंडितों को वहां बसाने के लिए वहां का कार्यक्रम चल रहे हैं, और जो वेस्ट पाकिस्तान से जो रिफ्यूजी आए थे, जो लाखों रिफ्यूजी हैं जिनकी 3 पीढ़ियां वहां समाप्त हो
उसका जवाब
गई हैं,
दीजिए। मैं सवाल ये पूछ रहा हूं कि पाकिस्तान का फ्लैग वहां पे श्रीनगर में लहराया जा रहा है, लोग वहां पे पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग को लेकर मोर्चा कर रहे हैं। आपकी सरकार क्या कर रही है? आपकी पार्टी क्या कर रही है?
मैं आपको जवाब दे रहा हूं।
क्या मसारत आलम
को जवाब दे रहा हूं।
क्या आपने किसी को भी जो वहां पे जो ये लड़के हैं जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग को लेकर श्रीनगर में ऐसा मोर्चा किया, आप मुझे एक नाम बताइए। डिड यू अरेस्ट इवन वन पर्सन? डू यू हैव द करेज टू अरेस्ट वन पर्सन? डू यू हैव द करेज टू अरेस्ट वन पर्सन? इज दिस व्हाई यू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर?
देश के खिलाफ
Whatever your political compulsions, आपके जो भी पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन हो, आप मुझे बताइए श्रीकांत शर्मा जी कि आप क्या एक्शन ले रहे हैं इनके खिलाफ।
मुझे बोलने देंगे? मैं
बोलने दूंगा, मगर एक्शन के बारे में बताएं।
डेफिनेटली इनके खिलाफ एफआईआर रजिस्टर्ड हो चुकी है अर्नब, और हम लोग कमिटेड हैं कश्मीर के अंदर शांति बहाल हो, कश्मीर डेवलप हो, और इस तरह की जो ताकतें हैं इनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो, और ये सलाखों के पीछे जाएं। ये बहुत छोटा ग्रुप है, ये फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लोग हैं, इनको कॉर्नर कर दिया गया है जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने, और ये इनका फ्रस्ट्रेशन है कि सड़क पर आकर इस तरह का प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ कोई भी अगर इस तरह की गतिविधि होगी, उस तमाम लोगों के खिलाफ कानून काम करेगा, और ये लोग सलाखों के पीछे जाएंगे।
One second, I quote you. आपको मैं आपके जो होम मिनिस्टर है उन्होंने जो कहा वो मैं कोट करूंगा। आप देखिए, आपके सामने कागज है, आपको भी पता होगा। Rashni Kher and Madhu Gaur Yakshi, I'm coming to you. Rajnath Singh, when he was asked, why don't you rearrest Masarat Alam? He said, for a fresh detention order, there needs to be a fresh ground. Remember that, Maruf? GD Bakshi? He said, for a fresh detention order, there needs to be a fresh ground. Now, I'll show the fresh ground. See those pictures once again, full frame on your screen tonight. That's the fresh ground. And that's why we want Masarat Alam rearrested. That's the only question. Whether this government, after what has happened today, will rearrest Masarat Alam or let him off. There's no other question tonight. It's only a question of whether after what happened today, Masarat Alam will be rearrested or he will be let off. Or whether the BJP will quit the Mufti Mohammad Saeed alliance today if Mufti does not rearrest Masarat Alam after this. GD Bakshi.
You know, Arnab, those who do not learn from history are condemned to repeat it. Please take your mind back to the glorious stint of Shri Mufti Mohammad Saeed as the Home Minister of India. He had caused a disaster of national and state agencies' morale in Jammu and Kashmir. You know, the intelligence agencies had given up on Kashmir. We have lost Kashmir. The army was the last bastion, and then General V.N. Sharma was the chief when he said, I don't think we have lost, the battle is lost. That was the state of demoralization this gentleman had created then. You have put him back there after 20 years when our armed forces, security forces had won the battle. From 3,000 terrorists, we had brought it down to just 200 to 300 terrorists. We had won it all. And now you have frittered everything away by getting this gentleman back to create a permissive environment for soft separatism.
Which is being encouraged by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Which is being encouraged by the Bharatiya Janata Party. My question tonight is, if the Congress Party had been in power in Delhi, and the Congress Party would have been in an alliance with the PDP, and the Congress Party were to be supporting a pro-Pakistan Chief Minister called Mufti Mohammad Saeed, and we are openly calling him a pro-Pakistan chief minister. Then how would the BJP have responded is my question tonight. Shrikant Sharma, it is time for you to think today, because the consequences of what you are doing in Kashmir, your desperation to keep your alliance together at any cost, even at national interest today, is being questioned by people across the entire country. Now, the Congress party, Madhu Gaud Yakshi wanted to come in earlier. Mr. Yakshi.
It's a clear evident the BJP and Mr. Shah, Modi and Shah Dio, desperate to have BJP flag every state, even if it is flying along with the Pakistan. It is outrageous today. It is BJP's Modi's soft on terror. Not only is utter failure in the controlling the terrorists or supporting PDP chief minister, why they are not withdrawing the support. What was Mr. Modi said in the parliament has said it, but here if you look at it, not only this incident, Lakwi, the utter failure. You invited Chinese premier to Gujarat having a Dokla diplomacy, then Chinese Toka intruded, they changed at the Ladakh and other places. You asked Chinese to invest and they went and back and invested in Pakistan nuclear reactor. You went to Nepal and now Chinese is directly linking railway line to Nepal. You went to Sri Lanka, then now Sri Lanka inviting or allowed Chinese.
Madhu Gaud, actually, I'm not having a discussion on the BJP's foreign policy. No, I'm not having a discussion on the BJP's foreign policy. I am discussing today's incident. I request you, Mr. Yakshi, to keep it focused.
Mr. Modi's compromised national interest. Modi's government compromising national interest is outrageous. If they are sincere to protect the national interest, they should withdraw support and arrest right away. Mr. Rajnath Singh's statement of having a fresh case to be registered to arrest Masrat Alam is absolutely wrong. He doesn't need. He released on the bail. Why they released Masrat Alam in knowingly is anti-national?
अरे मेरा एक सवाल है कि जो लोग कश्मीर समस्या के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, जो लोग कश्मीर समस्या के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, जिन लोगों के शासन में 27 FIR मसरत आलम के खिलाफ, लेकिन आपने उसके खिलाफ चार्जशीट नहीं की, आपने उसके केस को कमजोर किया। आपने 27 FIR होने के बावजूद भी मसरत आलम के खिलाफ चार्जशीट को आपने क्यों उसके खिलाफ कमजोर केस रजिस्टर्ड किया? 27 FIR के बाद आपने चार्जशीट तक नहीं लगाई उसके खिलाफ। आप लोग समस्या के जिम्मेदार हैं और हम समस्या का समाधान जो है छोटा ग्रुप है, ये फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लोग हैं और
बीजे आपकी सरकार, आपके प्रधानमंत्री देश को माफी मांगिएगा। आप जब प्रश्न
माफी तो तुमको मांगनी चाहिए इस देश से। कश्मीर समस्या का समाधान तुम नहीं कर पाए। नेहरूवियन नीति, आपके नेहरू की नीति थी जिसकी वजह से आज कश्मीर में यह सब हो रहा है। और जो पार्टी समस्या का समाधान चाहती है उसको पॉलिटिसाइज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो। कितने आतंकवादियों को रिहा किया, कितने सेपरेटिस्टों को रिहा किया, और कितनी बार वहां राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को जलाया गया। तुमने सिर्फ राजनीति किया वहां।
आपका जो
मॉरल राइट नहीं है कांग्रेस को मॉरल राइट नहीं है जम्मू कश्मीर पर बोलने के लिए। मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपने 27 FIR होने के बावजूद भी मसरत आलम के खिलाफ आपने चार्जशीट क्यों नहीं दाखिल की?
I am asking you, don't ask counter question. Shrikant Sharma, no, Shrikant Sharma, 1 minute. No, Shrikant Sharma, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Shrikant Sharma.
Your chief minister is released.
Mr. Gaud, I'm focused on the subject.
Compromise national interest.
Mr. Gaud, I'm focused on the subject. I am asking, Rashnik, why do you think Shrikant Sharma today, despite what has happened, and श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, आप, मुझे लग रहा है आप समझ नहीं रहे आज जो हुआ है इसका महत्व क्या है। आप जरा देखें तो आपको दोबारा तीसरी बार दिखा रहा हूं आज क्या हुआ।
अर्नब
नहीं, पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग को आज लहराया जा रहा है श्रीनगर के बीच में।
खिलाफ FIR रजिस्टर्ड।
FIR से क्या होगा? आप अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे? आप अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे? आप अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे? इसके बाद
होंगे ये लोग।
आप अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं
होगा?
कब होगा?
जो लोग इस पे रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं उन लोगों,
जो लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, मसरत आलम रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। No, what do you mean? जो लोग responsible है?
अरेस्ट होगा।
No, when will? Okay, so one second. When will Masarat Alam be rearrested? No, when will Masarat Alam be rearrested?
कानून का राज है।
Sir, you are telling me. I'll tell you. No. One second. You see, The Jammu and Kashmir government is lying to the people of India.
Yeah.
They are lying to the people of India, Rashni Kher. Jammu and Kashmir government, when we told them that you are releasing a pro-Pakistan terrorist, is a dangerous thing you are doing, they said at that point of time, Nizamuddin Bhatt of the PDP joining us, they said this person is under constant watch. There is not much to worry about Masarat Alam. Rashni, remember they said that? Now,
Yes. Arnab,
remember
Arnab,
they said
if I can,
yes, please.
if I can intervene, I have this poster in my phone, and this poster it reads in Urdu, Jalsa-e-Istiqbaliya, which means a rally to welcome Saeed Ali Shah Gilani. It has been going around in Srinagar for last few days. If I have this, I am sure the local police had it, the local administration had it.
Yeah.
So they really very well knew what is going to happen, because Masarat Alam was obviously leading this rally. It wasn't as if it was hidden from someone. So ideally, any law and order machinery should have taken steps to ensure that, one, he does not lead this rally, because he is known to create trouble of all kinds. Now, we do not expect Masarat Alam to do us some, to be a dove and stay home. Now, the problem was when we did not arrest Asia Andrabi, at that point in time also we said, humne FIR kar di hai. FIR means nothing by itself. If we had arrested Asia Andrabi, there would have been some fear of the state machinery into Masarat Alam's head and into all these boys who are carrying these Pakistani flags. Now, we did not do that. We did not take any preventive action also, even after these posters were going around in Srinagar for the last 4 or 5 days. I mean, it falls flat that we are an Indian state and we are letting Pakistani flags fly high. Honestly, Arnab, really, I am feeling like we are back to 1990 when insurgency started.
Absolutely.
Thousands of our young soldiers lost their lives, bringing terrorism down to its knees, especially the Jammu Kashmir police, and I must say it on record. Now we have politicians who are frittering it all away for a few seats in the Legislative Assembly, and that is sickening as it can be. And please, I say this, without politics, both parties, whichever party has come in center, has done us no favor, because there are FIRs and there are, legal procedures, charge sheets not filed against many, including Masarat Alam and Yasin Malik. Please, for God's sake,
Rashni,
take this as a very, very serious issue.
Rashni.
Arrest them. There are enough cases to put them behind bars for the rest of their life.
Rashni, my view is very clear on this. Nizamuddin Bhatt is with us now. I'd like to go to him of the PDP. Can I just ask the PDP a question, please? 1 second, Maruf. Nizamuddin Bhatt, good evening. This is Arnab here. My question to you is...
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Sir, Mr. Bhatt, I am very well, thank you. Mr. Bhatt, why did the PDP allow Pakistani flags to be unfurled and hoisted on the streets of Srinagar? Why did the PDP, mark my words clearly, I am saying you allowed it. You allowed it.
Let me make it clear.
Why did you allow it?
We are on a prestigious channel. Whole nation is watching us. Let me make it clear once for all that there is nothing new in it.
Sir, I don't... Sir,
since
that is bizarre.
This is no answer.
Bizarre.
Sir, there is something to worry in it.
Listen to me. If you want to have me on the channel...
No, Mr. Bhatt.
If you want to have me on the channel... I should be given the audience.
But Mr. Bhatt, 1 second. I certainly want to have you on the channel and I want to hear you, but you must listen to a counter question.
Arnab, you are putting us every day, every channel is putting us on media trial.
Sir, this is not a media trial. This is not a media trial. I am asking you as one Indian to another. I am asking you as one Indian to another. How do you allow the Pakistani flag to be hoisted on your state capital soil?
We are known for our ideas. Allow me to speak. Either I leave the lead.
Sir, have you seen the pictures today?
I have come after a lot of persuasion, because we are totally disheartened. We don't want to join such debates.
Sir, you will have to
put on trial,
Sir,
where we are pronounced guilty, where we are projected as culprits. What is this going on? We are a party, we are representing a state, we have won a fair election, and we have made our ideas known. We have not concealed anything from the nation or from BJP itself or from the Prime Minister. We have told everybody that Kashmir is a sensitive state there is a problem. There is a problem. You will have
Kashmir
to
is a
fight
sensitive state,
it out and
it has the right to fly
ideology.
Pakistani flags.
Is this what your common minimum program?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? There is nothing new in it.
Well,
It has been happening here.
So that
and we
means
are
it should be
fighting
allowed.
them.
Yeah, Mr.
We are
Nizamuddin, but
fighting
if there is
them.
nothing new in it, should it be allowed? Should it be allowed just because there is nothing new in it?
Kindly try to understand us that it is PDP and PDP alone which has taken a bigger challenge, and we are politically through proper democratic means fighting a party which of course pleads secession. And it is through the policy of emancipation of Mufti Muhammad Saeed that we have been able to overcome.
What long-winded lecture are you giving?
No, Mr. Bhatt, now this is Arnab here, you hear me. I heard you patiently, sir. Mr. Bhatt, hear me. 1 second, Mr. Bhatt, Arnab here, hear me. Hear me, sir, I have heard you with respect, but now you must hear me too. And you must be fair to the debate, Mr. Bhatt, because there are other panelists and they will have contrary positions to yours. You must hear them, we will hear you. Let us settle the terms of this debate first. We will hear you, but you will have to hear the other side.
Tell me what are the terms?
But I must preface this by saying that if when I am asking you questions, if you don't listen to me, I believe you will not be able to answer my questions. Sir, I have 6 questions for you. Will you answer 6 questions very quickly? And then I'll let the other panelists in. Maruf, is that all right? I'll ask 6 very quick questions and give me short replies. Sir, your government reassured the people of India. Don't worry, we are keeping Masarat Alam under watch. Did you make that reassurance or not? Did you say that or not?
You see.
No, did you say that or not? Did you say that or not, sir?
From the citizens. See, law will
me, sir. If he was, sir, now you're not listening to me. Now you're not listening to me, sir. No, sir, you're not listening to me now. So my question to you is this. If a man is under constant watch, how was he allowed to take out an anti-India rally with the flags of Pakistan on the streets of Srinagar with hundreds of people?
There is a section of people who come out, spontaneously come out. You can't kill them.
Who's saying kill them? I'm saying arrest them.
Many governments have tried that.
I'm saying arrest them. Don't put words in my mouth. Don't incite people.
Politically.
You are inciting people.
Politically.
I am dealing.
Muhammad
Sir, there is some
is not speaking the voice of
GD Bakshi.
We are fighting a battle of ideas.
Arnab, this is too much.
GD Bakshi now responding to.
This is too much. Now please listen to me. This gentleman from the PDP, you know, political discourse has some limitations and boundaries. How can a nation state, a sovereign nation state, allow the flag of an adversary country to be flown on its soil? You, Arnab, have shown the visuals. Have you shown the... please also let them hear the slogans. GA, Pakistan. Kashmir banega Pakistan. Is this what the PDP calls a liberal discourse? It is far too liberal and dangerous for any Indian's liking. I don't think we can sit back and watch.
Bakshi is responding now.
You are a man of an experience. I respect you. I respect your sentiments too. But kindly understand, you cannot take a challenge, you cannot fight it out, you cannot convince people, you cannot end alienation, you cannot prove that India is a larger democracy,
sir,
which has
one second. This is absolutely one second. Sir, the fact is, the fact is 1 minute. Rashni, 1 second. Let me ask Nizamuddin Bhatt one question if he listens to me. Nizamuddin Bhatt ji, listen to me. Listen to me. And for the viewers, see tonight how the BJP is quiet. Just see for yourself on a debate on Kashmir. When there is an open challenge to the Indian state, let me speak, sir. Let me
You see,
speak.
we are
When there is an
partners in
open,
government.
sir, I am telling you, Mr.
We are
Nizamuddin
partners in
Bhatt,
government.
Mr.
We are not
Nizamuddin Bhatt,
bartered.
Mr.
We have
Nizamuddin
not
Bhatt,
bartered
Mr.
every
Nizamuddin Bhatt, listen to me, please. Please understand, I am speaking tonight, you know, what many people across the country are calling my newsroom and asking tonight. The point that emerges is, when you have the Pakistani flag unfurled like that, and my question is to the PDP and BJP, may they please be brought on the screen.
You see,
Sir, no, let me complete. Mr. Bhatt, a minute. Mr. Bhatt, a minute. Mr. Bhatt, no. Mr. Bhatt, a
We
minute.
may or may not like
Mr.
it.
Bhatt, Mr. Bhatt, you may or may not like it.
Tell all nation.
Mr.
There
Bhatt.
are people who will try this.
Yes, and
We
you know
are
what?
trying to win them over
No.
through a
No, 1 minute.
legitimate
One minute. You know,
political process.
you know, Mr.
And we need your support.
Mr. Bhatt,
We need
Mr.
your
Bhatt,
support. If you
Mr.
don't
Bhatt,
give us the support,
Mr. Bhatt,
then
listen to me. Listen to me, Mr. Bhatt.
understand
Listen
what
to
will
me. The
happen to
point
this
that
state.
emerges is this. The point that emerges is this. This is an open challenge to the Indian state. Not acting against these people and not rearresting
And we are
Masrat
part of
Alam,
that
allow
state.
me,
That is-
amounts to
don't-
pandering to
don't
Pakistan.
don't
It
feel
amounts to an
isolated
insult
in
to our
fighting
national
out that
sovereignty. It is not possible without the
Don't
government
feel
of Kashmir
isolated.
turning a blind eye.
We are part of
Shrikant
that
Sharma ji,
process.
Shrikant Sharma ji.
If you don't consider us one,
Sir,
then
Shrikant Sharma. No, please understand, sir. There is a pattern to this. It is during your brief tenure that Asiya Andrabi and the Duktarane Millat were able to display a Pakistani flag on the 22nd of March. It is during your tenure that the flags of Pakistan are being taken and hoisted all through the streets of Srinagar.
You see,
And this is not possible.
Arunabh, I take pride in my constitution and law.
Sir,
I take pride in our institution.
He's giving us a
Even
lecture,
the
Arnab.
Supreme Court,
do you?
if Asiya Indrabi or Masrat Alam, if their cases are sent to Supreme Court, they will also take a view consonant to law.
Really?
And law never binds them like this, like you say.
What?
Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt. No, Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt.
Nizamuddin
Mr. Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt. Rashmi Khet.
Law will not put
Mr.
them
Nizamuddin
behind
Bhatt,
bars for
what you are
whole of their
saying-
life. I don't see a law.
Rashmi Khet.
Please
talk of the law.
Rashmi Khet, please.
The law of the land.
And even what you are saying, even you can be tried for
I have
treachery.
not heard of any law. Any such law, I don't
You
know.
may not have heard of any law, but that ignorance of law is no excuse.
You have not heard of a law that you cannot fly
I have not
a adversary
ignored- I
country's
know.
flag in
Let me,
this country.
Maruf, I'm coming to you.
I know.
Maruf, no, Rashnik, 1 minute, Rashnik. Despite our strong feelings on this, I allow you to let me moderate this. The PDP representative, ladies and gentlemen, says tonight, I have not heard of any law that can help me act against this. And what is that? The hoisting of the Pakistani flag. I am not surprised. I am utterly shocked, Mr. Bhatt, because I'll tell you the law. There is section 124A.
Don't
Sir,
you shout. I share
124A.
your concern.
Sir,
I share your concern,
124A.
but
Sir,
modus operandi is
124A. Don't please understand.
Modus operandi is definitely
Sir,
different.
when a
You may
person
take a different view.
indulges in
We have
activity
definitely
that is
taken a different
seditious,
view.
he and his supporters have waved Pakistani flags, shouted anti-India slogans, shouted pro-Pakistan slogans, actively promoted secessionism. We demand, we the people of India demand that you immediately impose 124A on these people, rearrest Masrat Alam for sedition or quit the government. You can't stay in government and insult our constitution
I
anymore.
don't know if you make us to quit the government. You are welcome to say that. We are not bothered about government.
You may not be bothered, sir. You may feel today. You may feel today that you're not bothered. I want to ask you how long you'll continue by insulting the constitution like this. Maruf Raza.
If you want to send those ideas off,
Sir, Mr. Bhatt, please remember the constitution you refer to is my constitution as well. And you have not read the constitution, but I have. Maruf will respond to you. And look how the BJP is quiet
I know
tonight.
every bit of constitution.
Sir, then please tell me. No, one second. If you know the constitution, then Mr. Bhatt. No, 1 second. My question is to Mr. Bhatt. Can I be put on air, please, with him, please? 1 second, sir. I am requesting you, Maruf, 1 minute. Sir, you know the constitution, then let me tell you the constitution. Can I ask you, Mr. Bhatt, 1 second, please. Can I please speak to Mr. Bhatt? Mr. Bhatt, please. My question is to Mr. Bhatt. Can I please speak to Mr. Bhatt? Mr. Bhatt, tell me what is 124A. the charge of sedition.
Don't go into technicality.
Technicality? Sedition is a technicality? Sedition is a technicality? Sedition is a technicality.
Here to
Does sedition apply in this case?
you are asking me like a student.
No, I'm asking you like a logical person to another. I'm telling you, does this amount to sedition?
124.
Does this amount to sedition?
Does
this amount to sedition?
Do you know what is 370 Article 370?
Sir, do you know 124A sedition?
Have you gone through this?
Don't hide behind 370. I'm asking you, sir, that whether this amounts to sedition or not.
Do you understand the prestige of Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir?
Sir, yes.
Let there be cross questions then. We are not students to teach each other.
Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt, and now my question to the BJP.
May I just come in here to clear Mr. Bhatt's doubts?
Yes, Maruf, please. Maruf, go ahead.
Unfold the Pakistani flag, please.
Maruf, please, Maruf.
Mr. Bhatt,
Please don't
we've heard you. Mr. Bhatt, with respects, please give me 2 minutes. Let me first tell you that I am familiar with Article 370 in as much as I am familiar with the temporary Article 306A before it was absorbed into the Constitution in 1950 to become Article 370. But the Article 370 that gives you a certain degree of autonomy is further buttressed by the Delhi Agreement of 1953 between Sheikh Abdullah and Pandit Nehru, which you are also familiar with. And the guiding principles of that, essentially, in Delhi's relationship with Srinagar are 3. The Court of India is supreme, that the Supreme Court of India is supreme, and the tricolor of India will remain supreme.
Correct.
If you do not respect these 3 things, you are flouting the arrangements that is expected to guide your relations with Delhi. We are not flouting it. That's the first point. The second point is, which you have made, that India's democratic credentials must allow India to allow people like Masrat Alam and Ms. Andrabi to float the Pakistani flag and say pro-Pakistani slogans. Ask yourself a question, sir, that those people who support Pakistan, does the Constitution of Pakistan 1974, though I am aware that Pakistan has 4 constitutions, but many in Pakistan like to talk about the 74 Constitution drafted in Bhutto's time as the main guiding document. And anybody in Azad Kashmir, POK or the Northern Territories, if they say allegiance to anything else but Pakistan, will be tried for acts of treason. Does India do that? We are not even arresting the person. And let me remind you the third factor, that you say your leader is accommodative of the spirit of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Isn't this the same leader that was accommodative of the spirit of those people who legitimize kidnapping as an act to create insurgency in Kashmir when his daughter Rubaiya Sayyed was exchanged with kidnappers, which was the last straw that led to the Kashmiri insurgency, which we have stabilized after a lot of lives lost and a lot of effort after 25 years. You are driving Kashmir back into the same pool and the same pit that we managed to drag Kashmir out of. Is that your idea of freedom for Kashmir? That you want Kashmiris back to see another bloodbath? Because let me tell you, sir, very honestly, India is not going to give an inch of Kashmiri territory to you or to Pakistan if it challenges the Constitution
if I
of
may
India,
add, if I may add to that, and I'll give you full opportunity to respond. Maruf, if I may add to that, and I give full opportunity to respond to Mr. Nizamuddin Bhatt, the fact of the matter is, sir, you have allowed this situation to happen. You have failed to keep track of his activities. Even as he threatened to undertake them in jail, you did not heed his warnings. You proceeded to release him, and you did not allow him to, did not track him enough, and he has now shown his loyalty to Pakistan through his protests. When the incident happens, you say, don't teach me the Constitution, I won't act against him. And look at your helpless partner, the BJP. Look at the helpless partner, the BJP, which cannot do anything while you allow this anti-national activity to be carried out on the streets of Srinagar. Shrikant Sharma, उन्होंने तो कह दिया हम कुछ करने वाले नहीं हैं.
Understand.
उन्होंने तो कह दिया आपको आज.
I am thankful to the panelist. He has made a fine blend of facts and rhetoric. Facts are, he spoke about Delhi Agreement, he spoke about Article 370, he mentioned other articles, related articles. These are facts. We have gone through a process where political agreements and constitutional agreements have taken place. And that's how the relationship of Jammu and
Sir, don't
Kashmir
teach.
was
Don't get into history.
with
The
Union
fact
of
is,
India.
will you
With
act against
Union of
Masarat
India.
Alam?
But
Will
let me
you
now
rearrest
tell
Masarat
you,
Alam?
even
Will you
if
rearrest
they are
Masarat
to
Alam?
admit-
Come to the point.
Will
Don't. No.
even if they
Come to
are
the
to
point.
admit
Will you
that
rearrest
these
Masarat
agreements
Alam?
have been flouted.
Will you rearrest
These
Masarat
articles
Alam?
have been fiddled
Mr.
with.
Bhatt, will you rearrest him?
Entire constitution vis-a-vis Kashmir.
Will you
has
rearrest
been
him or will you
tempered.
not rearrest
That's
him?
why the problem has
Will
been-
you rearrest him?
There would not have been Pakistani flags hoisting, but for the tampering with Article 370 and Delhi Agreement.
Hell is he
Had
talking?
Delhi
I
not
can't
been
believe this is happening
doing
tonight.
that,
I cannot believe this is happening tonight. No, 1 second. I cannot believe tonight. This is a government, and I repeat tonight we were right. Mr. Nizamuddin, but let me tell you this. I always had my suspicions. Mr. Bhatt, I always had my suspicions, and the BJP used to say, Mr. Bhatt,
then you will have to give Kashmir,
Mr. Bhatt,
Jammu and Kashmir many
Mr.
concessions.
Bhatt, one second, here, one second,
Many,
Mr.
many
Bhatt,
concessions.
Mr. Bhatt,
You will have to restore
Mr. Bhatt.
that autonomy,
concessions means
which
what,
was the part of the
Pakistan?
accession.
no, 1 second,
You will
many
have to
concessions.
abide
What do you
by
mean,
May I
the
just-
agreement
Rashni?
that is greater than the autonomy you are
Rashni,
speaking of.
Rashni.
Are you willing to
Unbelievable.
give?
Unbelievable, Rashni.
Don't teach us, please.
No, 1 second. No, Mr. General, hold your horses and so, 1 second, please. Just hold on for a minute. Hold on to Rashnik. I want to summarize what Nizamuddin Bhatt said. This is so dangerous. Till now, we used to say pro-Pakistan chief minister. And some people in the government, you say, you are being too tough on Mufti Mohammed Saif. Today, Shrikant Sharma, on Newsar, on national television, millions of people are watching this program right now. The PDP spokesperson has justified the raising of the Pakistani flags and said this has happened because of tinkering around with 370. And that also on a day when the Pakistani flags have been hurled right in front of the office of the state's Director General of Police.
Arnab,
Mr. Bhatt, take
let
it
me
back.
come in again.
Mr. Bhatt, apologize for what you said.
Arnab, let me
Mr. Bhatt,
come in
apologize
again
for what you
last
said.
word.
You can't be a ruling
Last
party in
word
Jammu
here
and
on this
Kashmir and
program.
build a justification for the raising of the Pakistani flag. I say
am
apologize
sorry
tonight.
to say, Arnab,
Sir, you must take it
that
back or
whole
apologize
nation
what
is
you
being
said.
scared
No, sir.
That there were 2 or
Sir, you
3,000
said-
people out on streets welcoming Gilani, a leader who was indisposed in Delhi, comes his home. Please, have patience.
Which side are you on, sir?
Don't provoke
with
entire
Pakistani
nation.
flags.
Don't make us to be pitted against entire nation.
Sir, we don't
deserve this.
One minute.
We want it.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute.
We
Mr.
want it.
Mr. Bhatt, we don't have to provoke anyone. Let me tell you, you're doing a damn good job of that. Shrikant
And development
Sharma, why don't you quit this
You are
government?
not allowing us
The
to do
PDP
that.
representative, your party, your ally. Shrikant Sharma, your ally. Shrikant Sharma, your ally is justifying. Your ally on national television, आज टीवी पर आपके ally party justify कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग के अनफर्लिंग को लेकर और आप सिर्फ यही कहेंगे हम कंडेम आपने तो अभी किया
There was an occasion when entire Kashmir was on one side.
occasion again you are saying it.
And now see how the number has dwindled.
Mr. Bhatt, whether there is 1 or 100 or 1,000 does not matter.
Absolute
It's
nonsense
going.
are you saying,
It's
sir?
because that you are
Arnab, it is not because of them in any case.
It can happen only.
Why are you taking credit?
No, Maruf.
Mr. Bhatt, why are you taking credit for Kashmir having come around to accepting the Indian narrative? You have nothing to do with it.
Seditious.
1 second.
The Indian narrative is being
Maruf,
accepted
should
by
we let the
Kashmir
BJP off the hook on this
because
one?
they are fed.
Why
They
should
are
we let
fed
the
up of
BJP off the hook,
violence.
Maruf?
They are fed up of misgovernance. They are fed up of the Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. They don't want anything to do with it. You have had nothing to do with Kashmir coming around to accepting New Delhi's narrative. The people of Kashmir have made this choice. Your chief minister and then goes ahead and thanks Pakistan and says Pakistan allowed you to do the elections properly. What a joke.
We will always say that deal with the
Arnab,
Can GD Bakshi? No, I have to get the BJP into the debate now. 1 second. No, 1 second. No, Rashnik. I think we are letting the BJP off the hook. Because if there is no 1 second, Rashnik, if there, I need to speak to Shrikant Sharma. If there is one party which is responsible even more than the PDP, for the Pakistani flag being raised like that, hoisted on the streets of Srinagar. And I want to tell you, this was happening right in front of the office of Jammu and Kashmir's Director General of Police. So right in front of the office of the Jammu and Kashmir DGP, people are waving Pakistani flags, hoisting them, getting on top of the building, putting it up there. And you have a state government today, Shrikant Sharma, which has said we are going to do nothing. And not just that, which has built a case for why the Pakistani flags were unfurled. And you will do nothing as well, because you believe today, you will say we condemn it. And then when I ask you another question, you will say, look what the Congress party did.
Arnab,
you are in power in Srinagar and in Delhi, don't forget, Shrikant Sharma. And people are watching everything you're saying right now. Do you think Masarat Alam and all the people who raised the flags within the next 24 hours should be rearrested and put back in jail? Do you believe that should happen or not?
अर्नब, नंबर 1, मसरत आलम और जितने भी लोग यहाँ इसमें संलिप्त थे उन सबके खिलाफ एफआईआर हो।
एफआईआर से कुछ नहीं होता जब एक्शन नहीं होता।
और इनको आपने मुझे, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। और इनको रीअरेस्ट, अशरफ आलम को रीअरेस्ट किया जाए। और इसलिए भी मैं आपको अर्नब, ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन है अलगाववादियों का, क्योंकि वहां कश्मीरी पंडितों को बसाने की बात हो रही है।
लोगों का फ्रस्ट्रेशन कुछ और है कि ये सब कर रहे हैं अलगाववादी। लोगों का फ्रस्ट्रेशन इस बात से है कि पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग को आज अलगाववादी श्रीनगर के सड़कों पे लेके उसको हॉइस्ट कर रहे हैं, उसको ले जा रहे हैं और वहां पे पाकिस्तान के नाम पर नारे लग रहे हैं। लोगों को फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो उस पर है। आप सिर्फ अलगाववादियों के फ्रस्ट्रेशन के बारे में क्यों कह रहे हैं? जो हमारे दर्शक हैं, जो सैकड़ों देशों पे इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं आज, उन पे फ्रस्ट्रेशन है कि एक पार्टी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, कुछ और कहती थी पहले। अब आपके जो पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन है उसके कारण लोग फ्रस्ट्रेट क्यों हो, ये बताइए मुझे श्रीकांत शर्मा जी। सीधा सवाल है आपसे।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी पहले भी वही कहती थी, आज भी वही
नहीं कह रही है।
जम्मू कश्मीर में इस तरह की ताकतों को करारा जवाब दिया जाएगा।
कैसे, कब, आप देंगे कि कोई और देगा?
लेकिन अर्नब ये सेपरेटिस्ट है, ये फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, ये नहीं चाहते कि जम्मू कश्मीर में शांति हो, ये नहीं चाहते जम्मू कश्मीर में कश्मीरी पंडितों को बसाया जाए, ये नहीं चाहते कि वेस्ट पाकिस्तान से जो रिफ्यूजी हैं उनको उनके अधिकार दिए जाएं। ये फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लोग हैं, ये नहीं चाहते कि जम्मू कश्मीर में शांति हो। इस तरह की जो गतिविधियों में संलिप्त हैं उनके खिलाफ राज्य सरकार कार्रवाई करेगी।
गवर्नेंस टू कंटेन द टेररिस्ट। मिस्टर शर्मा, पहले एक जवाब दीजिए। पहले आपका जो
आपको जवाब पूछने का मौलिक, आपको मोरल राइट नहीं है। कांग्रेस को जम्मू कश्मीर पर बोलने का मोरल राइट नहीं है। आज जम्मू कश्मीर में जो भी हो रहा है उसकी जड़ में कांग्रेस पार्टी है, उसकी जड़ में नेहरू की नीतियां हैं। तो आपको मोरल, आप प्रवचन मत दो। आपको जम्मू कश्मीर पर बोलने का मोरल राइट नहीं है। आज जम्मू कश्मीर में कश्मीरियों को बसाने की बात हो रही है, वेस्ट पाकिस्तान से जो लोग आए उनको अधिकार देने की बात हो रही है। और इसीलिए ये नेहरू की नीति है कि
अरेस्ट कब होंगे ये बताइए। नेहरू की नीति के बारे में बात मत कीजिए। श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, मैं जानता हूं, नहीं, एक मिनट, मधु गौड़ियाक्षी, श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, मैं जानता हूं, बहुत अच्छे वक्ता है आप, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बहुत, अगर चाहें तो आप बहुत ही संक्षिप्त और सीधा जवाब दे सकते हैं। आज जिस तरह से आप घुमा फिरा कर बात को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको तो देख के मैं पूरी तरह से आश्चर्यचकित हो गया हूं। पाकिस्तान के फ्लैग को लेकर लोग रास्ते में पाकिस्तान के नारे लगा रहे हैं। आपकी पार्टनर पार्टी कह रही है हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, आप कह रहे हैं वो लोग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, इग्नोर कर दीजिए। मैं कह रहा हूं आपसे श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, आज जो देश के लोग इस प्रोग्राम को देख रहे हैं उनको कहिए क्या क्या इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा कश्मीर पे, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अलायंस सरकार है। आप मुझे बताइए और क्या क्या इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा, कितने लोगों को कितनी बार आप कह रहे हैं फिर होगा तो फिर इग्नोर कीजिए। आप क्या कह रहे हैं?
हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ
नहीं, आप अगर विफल हो चुके हैं श्रीकांत शर्मा जी, आप अगर विफल हो चुके हैं एक्शन लेने में तो कह दीजिए हम विफल हो चुके हैं, वी हैव लॉस्ट द बैटल अगेंस्ट दिस सेपरेटिस्ट।
अर्नब, दो चीजें मैं आपको स्पष्ट कर दूं। इस तरह की जो गतिविधियां हो रही हैं, एंटी इंडिया जो भी एक्टिविटी होगी उसको टॉलरेट नहीं किया जाएगा।
किससे? वो तो टॉलरेट कर रहे हैं आपके मुख्यमंत्री, प्रो पाकिस्तान चीफ मिनिस्टर मुफ्ती मोहम्मद सईद, आप वो तो टॉलरेट कर रहे हैं।
मत बोलिए, काम करिए, काम करके दिखाइए।
कहते हो
आप भाषण मत दीजिए। आज कश्मीर के लिए नेहरू की नीति जिम्मेदार है।
मैं नेहरू की नीति की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और जो कर रहे हैं काम उनको करने दीजिए।
कोशिश कर रहे थे
मिस्टर शर्मा,
जो काम करने की कोशिश करें उनको काम करने दीजिए।
देश की इंटीग्रिटी, देश की सिक्योरिटी के साथ आपने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया सिर्फ आप सत्ता में रहने के लिए।
तो ये
वही मसरत आलम है जिसके खिलाफ 27 FIR आपने की, लेकिन चार्जशीट आपने इसके खिलाफ क्यों नहीं दायर की? आप इन्हीं के लोगों पर राजनीति करते रहे। अब वो जमाना चला गया। इन लोगों ये पहले पूरी वैली के अंदर इस तरह के लोग थे, आज मुट्ठी भर लोग हैं वहां, और इनको भी सबक सिखाया जाएगा। भारत के खिलाफ किसी भी तरह की गतिविधि को बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा। भारत की एकता अखंडता पर अगर कहीं कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क करेगा,
no, 2 minutes on this debate. I'd like to go to Rashni Kher and GD Bakshi. 1 minute, please. You see, Rashni Kher and GD Bakshi, there's a pattern to this. Rashnik first because he's spoken less. Rashnik, 1st March, Mufti credits Hurriyat, thanks terrorist groups. 2nd March, they condemn Afdal Guru's hanging. 4th March, seeks the release of the separatist leaders. 6th March, he allows Yasin Malik to hold an anti-India rally in his own constituency. 7th March, Masrat Alam is released from jail after his detention order is squashed. 9th March, Mufti rejects separate townships for Kashmiri Pandits. 15th March, Pakistani flags begin to come out and are hoisted, and pro-Pakistan rallies are being held in the streets of Srinagar. The only thing that I and any logical thinking person can come to a conclusion to is that Mufti Muhammad Saeed is a pro-Pakistan man who is allowing these elements to grow under his support and patronage. He's taking the country for a ride.
By the BJP government.
He's taking the country and maybe even the BJP for a ride, but I don't know why the BJP wants to be taken into a ride.
There is no doubt
Rashni
in my
Kher.
mind about Mufti Muhammad Saeed being a pro-Pak chief minister. He is emboldening the terrorists, he is emboldening separatism of all kinds, and the way this gentleman Nizamuddin Butt today justified this flag hosting has exposes. But I'm really surprised why BJP is not taking action, because if it is going to harm one party, it is BJP, because BJP has a pan-India presence and they are seen as a nationalist party. They would like to see themselves as one. I wonder why they are not taking action and why they are letting all this happen under the nose of the Indian Constitution. How can we allow this kind of activity to happen, really?
Shrikant Sharma, even more than the PDP, people are asking the BJP questions. Even more than the PDP, everybody is asking the BJP questions. I just want you to be aware of it. And I want you to know you can't put your head in the sand like an ostrich and say this never happened. To all my panelists tonight, I'm short of time. Rearrest Masrat is the hashtag. To our viewers tonight, if you feel the PDP-BJP government should rearrest Masrat, and if you feel that if Mufti doesn't rearrest Masrat, then the centre must intervene to rearrest Masrat, to teach a lesson to these pro-Pakistan elements, put your point of view out now. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.